Well, in other parts of the country, leaders are pushing to reopen businesses and public places as well, sparking fresh concerns about the possibility of a second wave of the virus. KCAL 9's Hermela Argawi spoke to a top medical expert about the weeks ahead.
If we don't do these things, the second wave could be just as big as the first.
As the United States begins to reopen here in Ventura County and across the country, and protests to reopen grow, some health experts are concerned that rushing to normal without a strategy in place can mean a second wave of COVID-19.
Well, there are two components to a second wave. One is when we reopen the country in different states at different times, there are going to be cases that pop up. And those cases will certainly can yield others. And there's the notion of what happens is, in the Spanish flu, for example, in the 1919, it went around the globe several times. And so, countries do what we're doing now, which is tremendous efforts to get rid of the virus. And then it comes back again as we relax.
CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Agus says COVID-19 is going to be an ongoing issue until a vaccine is available. And he adds because we're at least a year away from that, social distancing until at least through the summer will be important.
That we continue to social distance, whether it be at work, whether it be socially, or whether it be at restaurants. We all have to do that. Our behavior has to change.
Dr. Agus also says testing will also be a key tool in the strategic reopening of the American economy.
We're going to have testing, we're going to have testing, and we're going to have testing that is going to enable us to do it right, so there's not a significant second wave. I'm talking to heads of companies every day, and we're saying, listen, I want you to have stages so that you don't all the employees go to work at 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and that maybe there's some different shifts. And with those shifts, you can cut down dramatically about the number of workers and enable social distancing.
We also asked Dr. Agus whether the upcoming heat wave and summer will help us in this pandemic, but he says there is no data that shows that temperature inactivates the virus. I'm Hermela Argawi for KCAL 9 News.